Hey guys, it's Gracie. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look, and this is going to be a voiceover one because I want to try out my new mic I got for Christmas. So let's get started. Okay, so we're starting off this makeup look with my Soe Revitalating Rose Water, or Mist, whatever. And we're going to go with my Glam Glow Starter, I think that's what it's called, moisturizer. This was my Sephora birthday gift. Next we're going with the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer, and we're going to dot that all over our face and just rub it in.
I see you blowing me a kiss, it doesn't take a scientist to understand what's going on, baby.
Now we're going in with the Hard Candy Color Correcting Palette.
Don't get too deep with it, baby. Go crazy over you and me. Here's what I'll do, I'll play loose and run like we have a day with destiny. It's just
now we're going in with the Hello Flawless Foundation by Benefit.
it's just some little thing. Like everything I do depends on you.
And we go on the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and we put that over our acne and dark circles. Now I'm taking the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder and brushing that all over my face. Now I'm taking the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. And now I'm going to highlight using the Mary Lou Manizer sample that I got in a Nipsey bag. For my eyebrows, I use the Naked 2 Basics palette by Urban Decay, and I use the colors Frisk and Cover. I'm going to bust out an old favorite for this look, and I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance palette. So for my base color, I used Tempera, and then I used Juan Frisco for my transition, and I used Love Letter for my crease, and then I used a Maybelline Color Tattoo for my lid, which you will see here in a second. I used a stick concealer just to cut my crease a little, and then I used my Color Tattoo. I curl my eyelashes, and now I'm using my Better Than Sex mascara. Now I'm using an Elos lip balm to moisturize my lips a little before I put on my MDM Flow lipstick. Now I'm going to use my Too Faced Peach Mist setting spray, and you got to shake that. You got to shake that a lot, or you get white spots on your face, and you don't want those. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. Very pink, because Valentine's Day. I did this look once before, and I never filmed a video on it, and yeah, I wanted to do it again. Like, let me show you a picture of the first time that I did it. You can barely see it, but yeah, so I think I did it better this time. Go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, add me on Snapchat, and all that fun stuff. And also, go subscribe down below and hit that like button because, yeah. And hopefully I'm back for good because I, you know, didn't post for like literally ever. Sorry about that. Also the camera angle changed because I moved my camera around for different makeup things. So yeah, also I'm sorry if I'm looking into the viewfinder. I feel like I'm doing it less, but I feel like I'm doing it more. Like, it's still taking some getting used to. So yeah, see you guys hopefully next week.